Hello, my name is Professor John Bordeau, and I'm the Program Coordinator of Computer Graphic Technology here at Kankakee Community College. I teach AutoCAD 1 and AutoCAD 2, 3D modeling with AutoCAD, where we design things in 3D. I also teach mechanical design with Inventor, where we make everyday objects. I also teach architectural design with Revit, and that's where we design buildings in 3D. The most favorite class is digital sculpting with Mudbox. Essentially, we digitally sculpt a character and we 3D paint that character, and then we send it on to the riggers who animate those characters for the commercials or for the movies.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Davis, and I'm a student at KCC. It's all about taking your imagination and just putting it on the computer and bringing that to life. So I've taken AutoCAD 1, AutoCAD 2, which is kind of more of the 3D. It's been a lot of fun. It's really cool bringing things from your imagination to life on the computer, especially Photoshop. I think Photoshop has been one of my favorite classes so far.
Want to learn about 3D printing? We actually have 3D printers here that students actually design their own part. In one class, they'll design their own hand tool, they'll design it in 3D, and then they'll print it on a 3D printer. All of them work, they come out of the 3D printer working as a real tool would. So we use it for prototyping actual new inventions and new products for our local manufacturers. So 3D printing is alive and well at Kankakee Community College.